Now I am. Now I'm recording, I think. First and foremost, we're on chapter 8, review, and it says chapter 7, but that is wrong. So if you want to scribble that, chapter 8, review. I will help you do one from each section just to get you started, but 1 through 6 should be really quick and easy. Some people are already doing it, switching from log to exponential form. It is of the most important for you guys to pay attention as we're doing this because, you're not going to know what you're doing for a test. So here we go. Number 1. Switching from log to exponential. This is in log land. We want to switch it to exponential. And what's the base of the exponential function going to be?
15.
First number stays in the same spot. Yes? 15 comes down. 2 to the
2.
second power equals 225. Okay, do 2 and 3. Go. If you're already done, you just keep going. You're fine.
On 7, do you just plug in your calculator?
Go equals x. And then switch it around and figure out what x is. Yeah? Yeah. I mean, that's not the way they want you to do it,
Oh,
though.
I forgot how to do this.
You're the one that
Okay.
wants to do this, not them.
Forgot how to do that.
You made this.
Yeah, I know, but, I want you to do it the other way also, because otherwise you're not going to know how to do number, 10 and 12 and stuff also.
I don't know how to do number 10 and 12.
Number 4. Are we ready for number 4?
I don't trust.
Are we ready for number 4?
I don't know.
Okay, Colton, you were doing some of these wrong the other day, so pay attention as we go through this because I want you to make sure you do this right. All right, number 4, this is an exponential function, so we have to change to a log. What's the base going to be?
2.
Number 6 instead.
2
128.
of
7.
128 equals 7. Perfect. I had some people the other day putting the numbers in the wrong spot or not putting an equal sign, so make sure that you're being very careful because these should be free points on the test. This is as easy as it gets, guys. You're just switching stuff around. So don't get these wrong because these should be easy, easy, easy. Don't get these wrong, okay? All right, number 7. Yeah, let's talk 7. Or should we do, I don't know what we should do. Let's do 9. 9 is a hard one. Okay? I need 3 pieces, and I only have 2 pieces, so I'm going to say equals x. Yeah? Just put all equals x on all of them. Now let's switch it to an exponential function, right? Because the rules are, do all the algebra that you can. Can I do any more algebra? No. Now I switch it to the other form. So this is 100 to the x power equals 100,000. Yeah, if I take this to the second power, if I take 100 to the second power, that just doubles the amount of zeros, right? So I would have 1 with 4 zeros, right? If I'm 100 to the third power, I would have 1 with 6 zeros. I want 5 zeros. Do you think it's 2.5?
I don't know.
Could be. I could do this. 100 can be written as 10 squared, yeah? Okay, to the x power. This guy is 10 to the 5th power, true? Okay, do you remember doing this a long time ago? The 10s can cancel, so I have 2x equals 5, and then I divide by 2. So, what's the answer? 2.5, like you guessed, right? But that's why. So I can switch the bases just like we've done before. Okay? Good? Does that make sense? So on 7 and 8 equals x, and then solve the function, or solve for it. Okay? We might get generous ways. Some of these don't take very long. I'm hoping to get the majority of it done because as soon as we get finished this tomorrow, then we can just do whiteboard
12?
rapid fire problems.
You do 12?
And then test on Wednesday. What?
Yeah.
For FBLA or something maybe? I don't know. Who's going to be gone in here for FBLA maybe?
We'll be here. You're gonna make this so sad.
I don't know.
Oh, everyone wants to take a test on
Are you in SLC for FBLA?
Who wants to stay in just on Wednesday?
Yeah.
We are.
Can you do 12?
Ellie?
I don't know.
I know.
All right, did you get through 7 and 8?
No. I mean, yeah. That was easy.
Okay.
Just put in calculator.
I literally sit next to you.
Okay, are we ready for 10 and 11 or do you need to go through some other ones? 7 and 8, you got all the way through?
Wait, 3 and 6.
Are you sure?
Whoa.
What? Do 12?
Yes.
Equals
Ugh.
x, right?
I don't like this one. That's why I asked for it.
Okay, number 12. Let's go to number 12. I have an equal sign. Okay, real quick. Can I do this? Shum, shum, shum.
Only one log.
Only 1 for 1. So I have to have 1 log on the left side, 1 log on the right side that it cancels. So what do I do with these 2?
You just.
What it means.
I don't know, you
Adding
do
means
'em.
Oh, yeah.
multiplying.
Plus means multiply, but before I multiply,
Put the half back in.
the half goes to the back, right? Of the 25. What does it mean when it says 25 to the half power?
Square root.
The square root. So this says log base 6 of 5 plus log base 6 of x.
So
And
5x. Log
plus means multiply, yep. So I have log base 6 of 5x equals log base 6 of 20. Now what? Now I can cancel a log for a log, right? 5x equals 20, so x is
4.
4. Beautiful. Look at how nice and slick that is. Okay, any numbers that are in front need to go to the back. 25 to the 1/2 power is 5. Okay, that was really super fast. Okay, any others on 10, 11, 13? I'll give you a chance to do them. 13 might be a little icky. 13 might be a little icky.
Nearest 10,000.
Okay,
Yeah, let's do number 13.
okay,
13,
give him a second. Do 11 or do 10 and 11, and then we'll do 13 together. Try it on your own. Let's see what we get.
Hold up.
What's 260?
Wait, hold it. I just had it. Well,
Oh no, divide.
I don't understand. I don't get any of it.
what are you laughing
What,
about?
where are you
Like
at?
this
Right here.
is-
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Wait.
What,
Here's the equal sign.
the myth was
I can cancel a log if there's one log over here, but I can't do that because there's two logs, and I have to combine them. Plus means multiply. So if I'm trying to put those together, it'll be log base 5, but then I multiply this and that, so that's log base 5 of
And then it just keeps laughing.
8x equals log base 5 of 4. Okay, now I can cancel 8x equals 24. X is
3.
there you go. See, look at you. Okay, keep it going. Now, the only other thing is that if you have a hold on, minus means divide, but before you do that, you have to get rid of this 3. This 3 can go to the back, so you have to figure out 6 to the 3rd power, or whatever that number is first. 6 times 6 is, I think it's like 216. I don't know. Check it. 6 to the 3rd power.
36 times
216. So now, when you're putting them together, minus means divide, so you're doing log base 4 of
6. 216.
divided by
8.
8, which is, I don't know, 27. Okay, do you see what we just did?
Yeah.
Equals log base 4 of x. Now what?
X equals 27.
There you go. Okay, you see what you're doing? All right, are we ready for 13? All right,
I did them.
you did them.
They weren't that bad.
You did them. Did you get 13? What just happened? Oh, it's fine. It's fine. They're gonna be wondering on the video, what crap? Just my protractors, it's fine. All right, are we ready for 13?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Equal sign is here. I can't cancel logs until I have them combined. Minus means? Divide. What are you dividing?
4 and
So how do you divide that?
x plus 3 over
4 over x plus 3. The 4 comes first, so he goes like this. And then I have log base 2 of 8, right? Minus means divide, so I just write it like that. Division means make it into a fraction, right? Okay? And now I cancel the logs, okay? So I have 4 over x plus 3 equals 8. Cool. Now what?
Multiply by x plus 3.
Yeah, let's multiply the x plus 3 over. Am I going too fast?
No.
No? Okay, so 4 equals. What does that become? 8x plus 24. Now what?
Divide by 8.
Nope.
Subtract.
Subtract the 24 first. Okay, 8x equals
I would divide.
negative 20, and then divide by 8. Is negative 2.5, I think.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, did you see those steps? You can only cancel one log for one log. If there's two, you combine them. Plus means multiply, minus means divide.
No one likes logs.
Good?
Whoa, wait. That was 13?
That was 13.
Uh-oh. I did not get it.
Then you did not do it right.
Uh-uh.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Oh, Oh, the 4 goes over top. You put the 4 on the bottom.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh yeah, because you divide this way. So I probably did
Right.
this one wrong too.
All right, you should be able to do this. 14. If there's no base number, what's the base number? 10. Can you type in log base 10 of 18 in your, do you have to type the 10 in? No, you just do log of 18 in your calculator. It should be like 1 point something. 25527, so 2553. You go 4 decimal places when you're writing those down. Okay? So 15, 16, same way. Just type it into your calculator. Those are called common logs. Common logs. No.
You care if we do like the about?
That's fine. Yeah. If you want to do about, that would be great. Because technically we've rounded it off, so it should be about. I don't care. I'm not going to be real picky. That's fine. I'm not real
What if we
picky.
just write it?
I'm not real picky.
Do we
It's
have to
fine.
write equal or about?
I said I'm not real picky.
You said it like 10 times.
Yes, that sounds great. As long as you round it to the right number, which that looks like a 3.
That is a
2553. 2553. That first 5 looks like a 3.
Oh, the first 5.
The first 5 looks like a 3.
Okay.
Okay?
I was like, it is a free at the end.
All right. Let's do number 18 because it's harder than 17. 18 is harder than 17. Here's my thought process on 18 and 17.
Divide by 6.
Oh, no, you can't divide by 6 because this is an exponent. That's a good thought, though.
Bring the rats.
6 and 18. I want to make those the same base, like 3 squared or 3 to the whatever, right? But that doesn't work. I can't write them as a base of 3.
Subtract 6.
3 squared is 9.
You can't do that.
And I can't do it.
It's an exponent.
So, you can either switch to log land or put a log in front of both sides, right? So I'm going to do a log in front of both sides, log and log, right? And because I now have a log in front of both sides, that means that this x plus 2 can go in the front. I've got x plus 2 times log 6 equals log 18. Now, log 6 and log 18, those are going to be ugly decimal numbers, true? C. Okay, so what can we do to make life easier?
They have the same base. Can't you just cancel out the log?
No. Well, canceling out the log would get me back to where I started from. Now what do I do? I'm solving for
Divide by
x.
6. Divide by 6.
Divide by log 6. I like that idea. Divide by log 6. Divide by log 6.
It's 3. 3
Nope. Log 18 divided by log 6 is not the same thing as log 3. You have to you have to actually divide them. Yeah. Okay? So x plus 2. Do you hear what I just told Colton?
You can't divide.
Log 18 divided by log 6 is not the same thing as log 3. You have to actually divide them.
1.6. Hey, where'd my answer go?
1.16131.
Would have been faster just to
Bro.
switch it over.
Okay?
You messed up.
What?
It's not 1.1, it's 1.61.
1.6131?
Yep.
Okay? That's what x plus 2 is equal to. Do you see what we just did? We divided the log 6 over. Then what?
Subtract.
Minus 2. X equals negative 0.3869.
Yes.
I did that in my head. I totally did, actually. Really. I really did. Yeah.
I don't think they were anywhere near her, Brady.
I'll be real enough.
What?
That was old.
No.
Carson said it first.
What is a... All right. Oh. Do 17. Go. Go. Do 17.
It should equal
Sorry, Coach, I
wherever I
couldn't be
get.
late again. I didn't even post.
But we can't
2 days
do it.
ago.
This is algebra.
Yes.
Shouldn't you put about?
True.
Shouldn't it not really matter that much?
Yeah. It should technically be about. You're right. Okay.
So should
Do
you have gotten about that one?
17.
No, Ella.
Can you do any algebra?
Wait, is it 3,
No.
8, 6, 9, or 3?
What algebra you plan on doing there, Ella?
I didn't know. That's why I had that one.
That's what I thought.
Guess what? What?
What if you just subtracted 12?
What you talking about?
I do like log 12 or log 4.
Equals 3x. And then divide by 3.
Your battery came out.
Okay, don't do that.
I didn't even pop that.
Okay, that is 17. Yeah?
Yeah, it's 0.5975.
I don't know. Whatever she said.
got that.
Yeah.
0.7539.
No.
Okay.
5975.
19, 20, 21. I'm going to be real picky on when it comes to test time. What?
Me and Dylan didn't get the same answer.
Okay.
Did you use the answer button or like the 4 digits?
I used the answer
I used
button.
the answer button.
Wait, what'd
You
Why
must
didn't
use-
one of you two did an oopsie daisy?
An oopsie daisy.
Your Honor, my client pleads oopsie daisy.
Let me see her.
Your Honor.
All right. Let's see here.
Well, guess what?
Log.
5975.
My Honor requests a new
Dylan, you're
lawyer.
wrong.
See you later, alligator. My client pleads oopsie daisy, so I don't want to hear it.
What do you mean?
You are an
What do
oopsie
you
daisy.
mean?
Says you.
Objection.
And the answer is 0.5975. What did you get? Something way off from that? Or did you just
No, it was
round
like
off?
0.7.
0.7? I know what you did. You did
I did it.
log 12 divided by log 4. You didn't close the parenthesis off.
No, I
So what it's
closed
doing,
it. Maybe I did.
yeah, that's what I'm guessing. You probably did.
Click on it.
Okay. And then divided by 3.
It's still not
0.4331?
right. That's
No? Okay. I don't know.
I did it like this.
I don't know.
Log
12.
12. Alright, maybe I didn't close it.
It doesn't matter. If you read it like this, it doesn't matter if you close it or not. Divided by 4. Divided by 3.
I did it wrong.
Okay.
What is it?
0.5975. There you go. All right. These bottom 3, I'm gonna be real picky on come test time. And if you skip over a piece, I'm gonna count it half wrong. It says you have to Colton shush. Shh. Express each log in terms of common logs. What is a common log?
The log base of 10.
Log base 10. So like on 19, this is a base of 3. How do I make it a base of 10?
You gotta make it a base of 10.
I already finished.
You do divide.
I didn't keep
Log
track.
16.
Log base 10 of 16 over log base 10 of 3. The basement goes to the basement, yeah?
Hold up.
Okay.
So how could you do this on the calculator?
You just take log 16 divided by log 3. That's
Snips you
it.
every morning.
Okay? If you just write the answer down and don't switch it, I might count it wrong. You gotta add both. What is the decimal?
2.52.
2.5237.
Perfect. You have to have both of those things written down. Otherwise, I will count it half wrong if you only have the answer. Make sure you write the fraction as well. Convert it to a common log.
Keep it at 10. What do I do?
It's already 10 right now.
So if I close the parenthesis, that changes it?
No. So are you talking about like doing this one here? So log 16 close parenthesis divided by log. Oh. 16 close parentheses divided by log 3. Log 3. Yeah, you don't need to put the 10 in there because it's already 10. 2.5237. Okay. All right. 20, 21. Do those guys?
Do we need to put a base of 10 on?
No. That's a good question. Jordan just asked, can I write this down but not put the 10s in there? Is that okay? Yes, that's fine because they're both, we assume that it's log 10.
16 thirds.
No,
Well, that's
that is
dumb.
not the same thing. This is not equal to log of 16 over 3. You have to take log of each number first.
Why not?
Because it just doesn't work out that way.
Why not?
So then what does it equal?
It's kind of like, okay. Shoot, that's not a very good example.
One of these days I'm gonna slow some.
How can I explain this?
Do it, you won't.
How can I explain this? Let's do this. Let's say I have 2 to the third power over 2 to the fourth power, right? Right? It would be like saying that's the same thing as 2 to the 3/4 power, right?
That's not.
2 to the third power is 8. 2 to the fourth power is 16. That's not the same as 2 to the 3/4 power. Not the same thing.
3/4 isn't even the whole number, is it?
My name
Right.
is not
Yeah,
Dylan.
Oh, okay.
It's Dylan. Like I
Yeah,
said.
2 to the 3/4 power is not even going to be a whole number. Okay, so you have to do log of each one individually. All right, are you done with 20 and 21?
No, wait.
Let's rock and roll. Let's keep it going.
I'm gonna yell at you.
Okay, go.
I'm trying to find the
Keep it
actual
going.
log.
Make me.
Like the LOG button, you cannot find it on your
No,
calculator.
like I have the decimal, but what's the common
The
log?
decimal.
This part, you have to write it as a common log. Log 16 over log 3. That's the actual part.
Found the funny button.
Yeah, you did. You have a cheater button. What?
I do.
I have one of those too. You want to see?
My stuff
Pretty
is.
cool.
I also have cheetah flowers.
Down. All the flower stuff is down over there. I moved them.
Hey, I almost found it.
Okay.
Found it.
Found one.
Nope. That's right.
Are we ready for the backside?
Yes, it is.
I want to get a few sections down on the backside so we can do some whiteboards tomorrow. Okay.
What? Oh, that's 5:30.
Backside. Okay, let's do 22 and 24 together. E to the 15 equals x. Is that an exponential or a log?
Exponential.
So we got to make him a log, yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so I have to switch him to log land. All right, log, what's the base of the log going to be? Log base E of x equals 15. All right, now, one more thing. What is log E? ln. So I'm going to say ln of x equals 15. That's all we have to do.
Log.
If I just say log E
That's
of
common
X,
law.
is it wrong?
Can I put this down?
Not necessarily.
Can I put
No.
this down
Yeah,
instead?
I'm not doing it.
Because that's what it equals.
Wait, just
I put this down instead because that's what number 19 equals.
What are you talking about? No.
They equal the same.
What are you talking about?
This one and this one are the same.
Ellie, we're close.
Why? Where did you get that number from?
I guess and check.
Okay, why are you even doing that?
For fun.
I don't know why you're doing that.
It's fun.
Whatever.
So now I do it.
All right. Did you get 23 done?
Brown like the awesome.
Did you get 23 done? 24.
We had to drive her to the tan in so long.
Okay, is 24 a log or an exponential?
Log.
Colton, put your phone away.
It's so
It's
long.
log. Ellie.
24 is a log. We have to make it an exponential function. But before we do that, what is ln equivalent to?
Each log E.
Log e. Now we switch it.
Can I just skip that part?
You can. You can. Okay, he is e to the
X.
x equals 20. Beautiful. That's exponential. E to the x equals 20. Beautiful.
What have we done then? We did.
Let's do another section. We have like a half an hour yet.
No, we don't.
We have like.
20 minutes. 20 minutes. That's a long time.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Ellie does need your assistance. Yeah. Ellie
This
needs
is
to-
our class.
All right.
Ellie, they need to learn something for that.
26.
We do.
Learn.
Let's do 29 together. Actually, let's do 27 and 29. All right. Rule number 1.
Yes.
What's rule number 1?
No.
Don't be.
Algebra.
Do all the algebra. 27. Can I do any algebra?
Nope.
No.
No. So now what?
Switch it to log.
Switch it. Or I can. I'm just gonna ln both sides.
Ellen to 25 equals X.
Okay. X equals ln 25 because ln and e cancel. So what's ln of 25?
3.2189.
Three, yeah. Oh, we're on the wrong one. 3.2189. I agree with that.
3.2189.
LN button.
Okay.
Yeah, boy, dummy,
There is an
dumb.
ln button on there.
Boy,
That was
dummy,
way too
dumb.
fast.
Hold on. Where is it? I'm not seeing no LN. Where is it? I found it.
So, with 29, do we switch it to E first, or do
No.
we do algebra first?
We always do algebra first.
Okay.
29. Can you do some algebra?
Yep.
What can you do?
Yep.
Add the 5. ln of x plus 3 equals 3. Now what?
E.
He's already ln. This means log base e. Now we make him an exponential. So e to the third equals x plus 3. And then I minus 3. What is e to the third and then minus 3?
Hold on.
Let me see here.
Ellie,
Colton.
you're
One.
wrong.
Oh, it's 17.
17.085.
Colton. Put that away. What?
17.0855. And we dummy done. We dummy done.
0855.
They say you rich.
Hey, can you zoom in
No.
on my work? I was completely lost.
You were lost.
I don't understand.
Okay, do your algebra first.
He wasn't paying attention.
this douche.
Hey,
What did I say,
That totally slipped. My bad.
Okay, do your algebra first. Dylan, add 5. You get it equals 3. So now I'm at this spot and I can't do any more algebra. So I switch to an exponential function. You know how to do that?
Yep. Wait, pause. I'm not there yet.
Oh, shucks. I did that wrong.
Log ln equals e to the third.
ln of x plus 3 equals 3. That's where you're at right now.
Uh-huh.
Now I said ln is log e, right? E to the third equals x plus 3. And then you do the math.
Okay, so for 26, do we do ln of 120 minus or divided by 4? I don't know.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Questions on 26, 28. Did we get through them?
Those ones are easy.
Those ones are easy?
Yeah, let me see.
I say we be
Let me
done.
see here.
I have 2.
He's a
Did anyone else get 1969?
Yeah. On 26.
Let's do 31 and 30.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the next 4 and then we'll stop before the story problems. Then we'll just have those to do tomorrow.
That was our last thing.
My
What?
bad.
You said that was our last thing. You're a big girl.
Oh.
You're a
Wait.
liar.
We'll just be done right here. How about that?
I'm a big kid.
31,
now.
32.
I'm a big kid now.
Okay, on 31. Can you do any more algebra? I'm sorry. What?
So do I ln this first and then divide?
Yes, then divide by 4.
Okay.
Yep.
31.
31. Can you do any more algebra?
No.
No, so now what? Switch it. Okay, what's the base?
3 squared
Not very fun.
3 to the second power equals 9c. What's 3 to the second power? 9 equals 9c. I'm going to divide by 9. C equals 1. Beautiful. Do you see how that works?
Oh, it's the flippity flop.
Yep. Now, wait a second. On 33, though, what do we do if there's a log on both sides?
Cancel.
Cancel them, right? Can I cancel them right now?
Yeah, why can't ya?
Sure. X equals 2x minus 1.
Subtract 1x.
Would
No.
you want to subtract 2x?
Subtract x.
I'm going to subtract 2x
How
over.
about x equals 1?
What's x minus 2x? It's on my desk.
X
Oh, you must
X
be,
equals 1.
you must be a genius, Colton.
No. He is a genius.
Hey,
That's an
No more.
actual book term.
I don't care. No more of that.
I'm not even kidding.
No, that's enough.
Okay?
No, I don't want to do that.
30.
I want to keep the X out of there.
Ellie.
What?
Ellie.
Trevin, you had a question on 30? Trevin, you had a question on 30? Okay. Can you do any algebra?
No, but how do you keep the X out of there?
Isn't it x equals 5 over 3?
Brady. Can you let others learn by themselves?
Switch it to exponential function.
My bad,
2 to the
guys. I
3x
forgot you were
equals
slow.
32. Okay. 32 can be written as 2 to the
Third.
5th power.
Oh yeah, 5th. Yeah.
Yeah?
So
2
x.
to the 5th power. So the 2's cancel. 3x equals 5. And x equals 5 over 3.
Oh, bummer.
1.6.
Sure.
Hate it when I'm right.
I bet you do.
It's
Okay.
just a bum-dum.
All right. If you are done with all of those, you're done. If you are not done, let's come sit at a table and we'll finish doing those. How about that? Can we do that? Are you done?
Not.
You're all the way done?
Almost done.
I need more
Okay.
help on these ones.
Sure. Okay.
Do we get to use these on the test? Or?
No. Okay, this one?
Yep.
Ah, okay. So, we can't do any more algebra.
Yeah.
We have to switch it to the other function.
Yep.
So, the base of my exponent's going to be 2.
Yep.
To the
2
3x
to the 3x
equals
equals
32.
3.
Write that down.
Okay.
Ellie, you're making firefighters?
Okay, now, our x is up top here, and that's kind of confusing. So, he's an exponential function, so let's try this. This guy has 2. 32 can be written as 2 to the 5th power. Okay, so put 2 to the 3x equals 2 to the 5th. What? Yes.
Did I do 20?
Yeah. Now your 2's can cancel.
I do 21, right?
Yeah.
3x
from.
Did you do 21? Right. Yes.
So I also did 20.
Probably.
Yeah.
Okay, me done.
What? Yes, I have
Me
more
done.
mason jars that are coming. Are they come tomorrow?
When you're done, I need help. You probably
Yeah.
understand.
Okay.
And then I just algebra this one out. Or
Yeah, algebra it out. Algebra it
Yeah,
out.
yeah. So get the X's together.
no, negative 4.
Grace, I'm gonna take a little break from doing math, and then I'm gonna go get